We're closing in pretty quiet, 11,300 just about. We managed to hold on to that for the Nifty futures. Even Steven market breadth as well, pretty much split and divided. Like I said, it was a day which belonged to the contra themes. So what with the move coming in on aviation, on multiplex names, or even for that matter, some of the beaten down PSU names from within the banking universe. SBI has made a comeback today, and a significant one at that. Almost a 4.5% move in that stock. Technology as well held out. HCL Technologies, TechM were movers today. There was also some follow-through move on Hero MotoCorp, iShares. Both those stocks were up about 2 to 2.5% apiece. ZL as well pushed in further, about 1% higher there. And Adani Ports, after its earnings, held out by about almost 1.6%. On the flip side, Kotak Bank, Britannia, DRL, Hindalco, Cipla, L&T, they are the ones which saw some red ticks come in. From within the broader universe, there was Biocon, there was Muthoot Finance, Concord and Naukri, which were the laggards. On the flip side, Bharat Forge, Motherson Sumi held out, very strong moves there. PVR was up roughly about 7%. Bosch held out an 8%, and Interglobe Aviation was one of your biggest gainers with a 27% OI gain and 10.5% rally on the futures nearabouts. Avan, what else are you spotting?
Well, certainly those were some of the key gainers. You also had Bharat Forge. Remember, it came out with its quarterly earnings, and therefore it was in focus. You had Titan as well, the management speaking to ET now, saying that there will be better traction come Q3. So those were some of the other newsmakers in today's trading session. Still awaiting what Thermax, Ashok Leyland as well are going to dole out when it comes to their quarterly numbers. So those are some of the other newsmakers. But within the broader universe, you have a lot of fervor being seen within some those individual names. Don't want to sound too repetitive, but can't help but mark some of the names that have had a fairly decent run today. IFCI, IDFC, Lemon Tree Hotels in the limelight on the upside. Take a look at Motherson Sumi, something like Petronet, DB Corp as well as ITI and Shriram City have been very active in today's trading session. It will continue to be focused on earnings, while you don't have any Nifty 50 names that will be coming out with their numbers. Or rather, tomorrow there are a whole host of Nifty 50 earnings. Pardon me. There's Hero Moto, iShares, Grasim, GAIL, BPCL as well as Tata Steel, all that will be delivering their earnings. And in addition to that, something like Praj, DB Corp, EIH as well as Endurance and Prestige Estates that will be declaring their quarterly earnings.